Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about CSS 2D transforms. Okay. So CSS transforms allows you to move, rotate, scale and skew the elements. So here we have a different methods under this 2D transform. Translate, rotate, scale X, scale Y, or only scale, skew X, skew Y, or only skew and only matrix. So we have a detailed meaning or one line meaning of translate and rotate and only scale in my next slide. But other than that, that scale X, scale Y will let you know after the next slide only actually. So first of all, what is the meaning of the translate? Okay, translate method will moves element from its current point or current position. Okay, according to your parameters given for the X and Y, means it will simply move your object or your element from one place to another place. It can be in X direction or it can be in Y direction, any direction. Rotate. So rotate method rotates an element either in clockwise direction or counterclockwise according to a given degree. Like you want to rotate 20 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, depends. So it will rotate that object or element. Scale. The scale will increase or decrease the size of element or object. That means suppose you have an object with this small size and you want to increase size of that object or element, then you can use the scale. Okay, other than these three, like what is scale X? It will obviously along in X direction, scale Y in Y direction. Now skew X, it will rotate along with the X axis, along with the y-axis, that is skew-y, and normal skew, that means both the axis, and matrix, it is a combination of all the 2D transform methods. So in my next video we will start with the translate, rotate and scale with the example actually. Thank you everyone.